Imagine you receive a document for e-signing through Sign Made Easy, but you quickly realize it wasn't meant for you. You don't have the required clearance to sign it. No problem, you can reassign the document to the right person in just a few clicks. Simply open the email you received and scroll down until you see the option that says, "To reassign the signer, click here." Click on the link and a new page will open. Here, enter the details of the person who should be signing the document carefully, add their name and email address. Once everything looks correct, click Send. That's it. The document has now been successfully reassigned to the correct signer. You'll also receive a confirmation email letting you know the handoff was completed. Want to learn more about Sign Made Easy and how it works? We recommend checking out our product demo video. Thanks for watching.